This is a live look at closing arguments in the state of Tennessee versus RaDonda Vaught. The former Vanderbilt nurse is charged in the death of her patient, Charlene Murphy, after she gave the patient the wrong medication. Her attorney is addressing the jury right now, perhaps for the final time. News Channel 5's Chris Davis is just outside the courtroom. Chris, does this mean the jury will begin to deliberate tonight?
Carrie, that is up to Judge Smith. After closing arguments are done, she will make the decision either to charge the jury and let them to start deliberating tonight, or we may start fresh in the morning, so we'll wait for that decision. In the meantime, I want to catch you up on the big testimony we heard from today. It was really interesting. We had a nurse from each side of this debate argument. On the prosecution side, a nursing consultant testified there were multiple ways that Vaught made mistakes, and she admitted it in her own words through a TBI investigation recording.
She admitted she had given Versed prior, but never Vecuronium. She admitted she was distracted. She admitted she shouldn't have been distracted with something other than the medication. She admitted she shouldn't have overrode the medication.
Jones went through several scenarios in which Vaught might have noticed the mistake before it was too late. The defense called a nurse educator at Vanderbilt who knew Vaught during her employment there. Leanna Kraft was asked about the culture at Vanderbilt, and this is what she had to say.
I mean, we have a lot of newer nurses there that do a lot of, they follow physician's orders and what other people tell them. They don't have a lot of experience as far as like being able to make a lot of independent decisions. They do make independent decisions, but they tend to look at orders and kind of what other people tend to do in the unit.
While the state called 16 witnesses, Leanna Kraft was the defense's only witness, and then they rested their case. Now, we want to take one more live look inside the courtroom. The defense is giving their closing argument, summing it up with this phrase, quote, "Error is error. We all make mistakes," end quote. Earlier, the state reminded the jury of the timeline of December 26, 2017, the night Charlene Murphy was given the wrong medication. They told the jury they think they have proven their case beyond a reasonable doubt. But that is now up to the jury. Once closing arguments end, the fate of RaDonda Vaught is in their hands. And just an interesting note, the jury currently consists of a pastor and a healthcare professional, so her perspective will certainly be interesting in all of this. Reporting live at the courthouse, Chris Davis, News Channel 5.
It most certainly will. Thank you, Chris. The American Nurses Association weighed in today, saying in part that nurses are watching this case and are rightfully concerned that it will set a dangerous precedent. The ANA cautions against accidental medical errors being tried in a court of law.